Hey God, e don finally burst. Breaking news update, e don red o. US Air Force C-130J jet don land for inside Abuja dis evening, being on the 5th of January 2026 o. Everywhere don segemege. There is serious ten sion metabilitated now for inside Naija o. All the bokoboko, ISWAP, terror gumi, Asari Tokuba motor. By now dem go don dey prepare their Ghana must go o. They will now move into wilderness for 40 days and 40 nights because America don come now, wahala don finally don land for inside Nigeria. Make e no be like say I talk too much, make I begin read wey be say the news say samakwe, and dis news has been verified. E don segemege. Ewo, e don happen. Breaking news: US Air Force C-130J jet lands in Abuja this evening. Abuja, Nigeria. A United States Air Force C-130J Super Hercules metabilitated transport aircraft register 0813076 landed at Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja this morning. Nah, e don happen o, my pipo. The aircraft arrived from Dakar, Senegal, drawing immediately attention as US military aircraft operation in West Africa have more commonly been routed through established logistics hubs mentality in Ivory Coast or Ghana. Wahala dey o. Now make we continue. The C-130J jet, a versatile four-engine turboprop, it's a cornerstone of the US military logistics. Its standard mission range from troop and cargo transport to medical evacuation and humanitarian aid delivered, while the specific purpose of today's flight has not been officially disclosed by the US or Nigeria authority. It arrives or its arrivals occurs between a period of significantly highlighted metability US military engagement in the region. Wahala dey o, my pipo, wahala dey, wahala dey, wahala dey. The aircraft presence in Nigeria capital follow a major and unprecedented shift in US military policy towards the country. On December 25, 2025, the United States conducted its first public metabilitated acknowledgement airstrikes on Nigeria soil, authorized by President Donald Trump. The powerful and the deadly strike targeted positions of an ISIS-affiliated faction in the Buani metabilitated forest area of Sokoto State in northwest Nigeria. Now let's go further. Before I go further, now this very jet wey land so, it more of a cargo jet and a war jet, and dem dey use am for logistics, use am for many reasons, and e carry four engine. That is to say, dem fit use am take carry full barrack land for Nigeria. Dem fit use am take transport full America put for Nigeria. Nothing wey dis jet no dey carry. E fit carry armour tank, Pecos tank, Peninsula tank, and Bobby tank, and even enemy tank. E fit carry anything. E fit carry other jet. E fit carry other anything at all. E can carry anybody. E can even carry Nigeria comot. So dis jet na very big jet wey land for inside Nigeria. So una suppose understand say na problematic na don segemege so. Ewo, ewo, ewo. Now, dis historical military action was framed by the US administration as a measure to protect Christian communities from violence metabilitated. However, the operation has been met with complex reaction. The Nigeria government confirmed it coordinated with the approval the action with the Foreign Minister Yusuf Jumentality, standing that the US Secretary of State Marco Rubio provided period notice mortality simultaneously. Nigeria officials strongly contested the characterization of the Christian genocide, emphasizing that the region's security challenges are multifaceted mortality and affect all communities, not only Christians. The landing underscores a tangible and active U.S. military presence in Nigeria, moving beyond traditional and training rule to include direct action with corresponding logistics support evident on the ground in Abuja. Hewo wahala. Okay, now I say, okay, make I go do the fact check, make I really know whether this thing are really true. And now let's see what the fact check is saying. The fact check confirm am say as e be, say as they play the show, say the US Air Force don finally land for inside Gongoja, Nigeria, Spajeria, Malojeria. Now see what the fact check is all about. A US Air Force C-130J cargo aircraft registered 083176 reportedly landed in Abuja, Nigeria on the morning of January 5th, 2026, having traveled from Dakar metahabilitated Senegal. Now from Senegal, I take off and they land for Nigeria. The news circulated on social media platform with sources highlighting it as an unusual occurrence since US cargo aircraft typically operate from Ivory Coast or Ghana. The specific purpose or mission of aircraft in Abuja has not been officially detailed in such result provided. So now, even the Nigeria government, and they don't know the reason why this thing why this thing land for inside, because if they know, they for don't tell us, and the US now never tell us their mission for Nigeria. This event is distinct or disrehabilitated from the recent news surrounding a Nigeria Air Force NAV C-130 aircraft that made a perpetually rehabilitated landing in Burkina Faso in December 2025, which caused significant diplomatic tension between Nigeria and Alliance of the Sahel State AES. The NAV crew and aircraft involved in that incident were later released after diplomatic negotiation. So my people, now so we see this onward story. So in as much as the moment when I go get update why the US cargo jets don land for inside Abuja, I go still come see update everybody so that everybody go dey aware. But right now, make una sleep, open one eye and close one eye now, because anytime can be 6 o'clock. Make we not come wake up tomorrow morning go hear say they don carry Tinubu go where we no know. Make una pray for Tinubu, because right now he don finally segege. If na you be Tinubu, by now how you go dey feel and how your mind go take dey beat. Maybe your mind go dey make tim. In fact, Tinubu, may you use your heart or your liver take supply light give Nigerians, because the way wey your heart go take dey beat now, tim, you go dey supply current, no be small o, because you know say Nigeria no kukuma get, you can supply this time around with your tim. High no dey sweet bird if dem dey roast fowl, or eye no dey sweet fowl if dem dey roast bird o. Just few days ago, Venezuela president were captured like small chicken. Now they are now in Nigeria. Are they coming to capture our own president? Oh, you don ready, my people.